I'm back again with another video. If you have an iPhone, it is important to protect it, especially the screen, because with any drop you can crack it and it'll cost you over $150 to replace it. Screen protectors for the iPhone are very popular. At only $8, it's a no-brainer to buy one and protect your device, keep it looking clean. This particular screen protector from Spigen is compatible with cases that wrap around the phone, so you don't have to worry about not fitting with your case. On this iPhone 6 Plus, I've had the screen protector since the day I bought it and have had no issues with scratches. I recently dropped it on concrete and it finally cracked. Removing a cracked one is very simple. Just pry with your nail on the side and apply pressure upwards and slowly start pulling it off, or the glass will crack in small pieces, making it harder to come off. So today we're going to be replacing it with a new one from Amazon. The link will be in the description if you're interested in buying one for yourself. Installing is very simple. Everything's included in the package. So to begin, we're going to be cleaning the phone from any finger oils, dirt, anything else that's on the screen. We're going to begin with the wet wipe number 1 that comes in the package. Once that's done, we're going to clean it, and we're going to use dry wipe number 2 to make sure that there's no liquid on it. We're going to finish the process with the sticker that comes in the package and remove any extra dust that's still on the phone. Preparation is key to make sure that the phone is very clean, or you're going to ruin the screen protector. Peel back the plastic on the glass screen protector, label back, and align it with the home button and the top camera. Before you put any pressure on the glass screen protector, make sure that it's aligned correctly, because once it's pressed down, you won't be able to take it off. If you are sure about the position, start applying pressure to the side of the screen protector, pushing out any air bubbles that might be on it. Using the microfiber cloth, apply pressure to any other bubbles that you see. If the bubbles don't go away, just leave it alone. They might take a few days to come off. Finally, remove the plastic on the top glass protector, not using so much force so you won't pull up the glass protector you just installed. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, as it does help. If we get enough support, I'll give away some of these for whatever phone you have. And like always, thank you for watching. Until next time.